Hello everyone, another video with me working on another Mercedes C-Class actually. This is a W204, it's actually a family member of mine and going to be looking at doing the ambient lighting on the car as well. So it's kind of similar, well it's going to be pretty similar to the W205 that I did before, but that was a coupe, this one's a saloon. So fingers crossed, things are pretty easy, simple, straightforward. The coupe was a bit more interesting in some aspects. Big learning curve for me. So this one, a bit more prepared for it. So like I said, I'm just going to jump into it and actually get to dismantling. But first, right before that, let's have a quick look around the car. So having a quick look at the car, as you can see, this is pre-ambient lighting. Should be a nice big difference once it's done. Everyone, we're finished with the car. That was a long time lapse. Oh. But yeah, we finally got it done. It was a bit of a headache. The car is sorted. All good in the hood. I think it's time to have a good look around. You having fun?
No, I'm just trying to plan. How come I can't click on rainbow jumping change?
I don't know.
Oh.
I like that. Whoa. Talk about giving someone a seizure. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good to me. I think that deserves a photo. The rear is done as well. Oh, I think they got child lock. Damn it! Got child lock on at the back. Huh? Just going to be dropping the car off. That is one nice empty garage. Now I hope you all did enjoy that quick look around the car at the end, as well as the whole installation video if you did. But yeah, please do hit like if you found that entertaining at all and did enjoy the actual video of the installation. Please do look into subscribing if you'd like to see some more of my content, and leave me a comment below if you have any comments or anything that you just want to mention to me. I'm more than happy to get back to you all, but for now, I'm so tired. It's 2:30 in the morning. I'll see you all later. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.